So we have another friend of ours, beyond frustrated. They had a builder, everything was great, and all of a sudden, at the very end of the job, things are getting ugly, and there's a clause in their contract that they find, what do? I signed this, and now we have a case where the homeowner is like being charged rent by their contractor.
It's unbelievable. I mean, and I've seen this more and more lately, so maybe this is a new thing somewhere that contractors are coming up with, but some clients are signing these contracts where the contract says that the owner of the property, the homeowner, is giving a leasehold to the contractor, which means that the contractor is now entitled to possession and occupancy of your house. And if you move back into that house before work is done and before you make the final payment to the contractor gets to charge you rent. It's unbelievable, but people are signing these things, and at the end of the job, when they think legitimately the contractor should have to take some credits off of what they're demanding because of work not done right or just the charges not being correct, the owner is in a situation where they lose leverage.
Folks have to take action faster.
Yeah.
I think it's very easy to just swipe right and ignore it.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of like the old adage of brushing your teeth. Well, if you ignore your teeth, they'll go away. Except these contracts, they're not going to go away.
No.
And if you sense something is wrong, take action. Call an attorney.
Yeah.
Call a master builder. Get some help.
Right.
Oh my gosh.
And read what you're signing before you sign it. And if anything looks fishy, call a professional.